CGIAR, a global partnership implementing agricultural research for a food-secure future, has been delivering its portfolio through CGIAR research programs, or CRPs, since 2011. In 2020, CGIAR embarked on an ambitious reform called One CGIAR to streamline internal governance, operational structures, and processes, and culminating in the 2022 to 2030 Research and Innovation Strategy. In response to the request of the CGIAR System Council, the CGIAR Advisory Services, or CAS, evaluation function commissioned a major evaluative exercise, the 2021 synthesis, to inform the development of One CGIAR. Pooling a decade of evaluative evidence from 43 evaluations, reviews, assessments, and syntheses undertaken across the two phases of CRPs. The synthesis identified patterns around priority topics, shed light on system-wide issues affecting the CRPs, recognized the key evidence gaps and needs for future evaluations, and provided recommendations for the future orientation of CGIAR. CGIAR research programs have added clear value to the CGIAR's work. They have, among other things, increased CRP and centre collaboration. They've instituted new CGIAR platforms in key areas, including gene banks, excellence in breeding, gender, and big data platforms. They've affirmed the role of CGIAR's agri-food research in policy discussions and bring about change in traditional and newer areas such as climate change, natural resource management, and health and nutrition. They've mobilized partners' capabilities within and beyond CGIAR to quickly respond to new challenges, such as the fall armyworm outbreaks in maize. What are the key lessons that we've learned from the 2021 synthesis? Greater social science engagement is necessary to connect to people dimensions of development and bring a clearer focus on scaling processes. More equitable partnerships are required to facilitate stakeholders' and partners' ownership of the research agenda. There needs to be coherence in resourcing and in measuring the contributions of the CGIAR and partners to research and development. CRPs have incorporated unrealistic development outcomes in their theories of change. Matching CRP aims with countries' specific priorities can better support scaling and adoption. There are key recommendations arising in the synthesis to prioritize and systematize partnership development and stakeholder engagement, to focus on institutional capacity development amongst their partners and the measurement of related outcomes, to define CGIAR's comparative advantage and role within the projected scale of funding, and to strengthen country and regional coordination structures as a facility for all CGIAR science groups. Other recommendations were made to strengthen new ways of working across 3 new action areas, to increase the value of CGIAR's contribution to sustainable development around the world.